was actually, for me, it was really cool because I actually did not open this box. We got it.
No, neither did I.
Oh, you didn't open it either?
No, so Claire, who's like our head of social, I was like gonna take a peek and she's like, no, I want your first reaction. Guess what we have just in time for summer.
Hey, FabFitFun.
We're the founders of Arrae. I'm Sif.
My name is Nish.
And welcome to our home in LA. We're so excited to take you through our curation.
It's gonna be amazing.
Okay, so fun fact, I interviewed the founder of this brand in 2019 in the lobby of a hotel in New York, and I have been a fan of Beauty Stat since. I think it is one of the most efficacious vitamin C serums in the world. Ron Robinson is like honestly an icon, so this is an incredible skincare product. So
Wow,
love
that's
this.
amazing. I took the first one, I'll take the second one as well.
No!
Thank you so much. What's next?
He steals my products. I'm a very OG fan of Amika. This shampoo smells unbelievable. Like, it will get you the most compliments when someone hugs you. And it makes your hair really shiny and soft. So I love Amika. Okay, this is like the coolest part of the box. Are you kidding me? Like, it's our brand. So this, obviously, I take it all the time because helps you get de-bloated in under an hour. You feel so much more comfortable. You feel like the best version of yourself, and it like works so quickly, which is what's important.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I was so happy to see these because I was opening up wine all the time. Guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is crazy.
Okay, is everyone looking at my hair? Do we see how much product I put in it and how I like to sleek it back? This is what I will be using all summer, so I'm very excited.
Nipple cover. This is really important. The nipple covers for men is really, really important, okay? Especially when you're running those marathons. You don't want, the last thing you want are bloody nipples. I learned this from The Office. And so you gotta, I don't know if you have an office reference, you know, when glow up. Sandra, no.
Gorgeous, glowy girl.
Oh, I like that. That's good.
Yeah,
that's better.
I feel like that's the vibe.
All the things in our house make a lot of noise, and our team loves turning on every single machinery when we're in the middle of meetings. Like, Claire will run the blender hardcore when we're in the middle of the meeting. Okay, so we have some coffee. Put a little bit of cinnamon. Actually, a lot of cinnamon. And then we do the actual espresso. Here you go. Voila. Oh, it looks so good.
The famous Nish latte. Cheers. I've known about FabFitFun for years, you know, like I'm a hyper consumer, and I think it's so cool that someone can try this like incredible box and have access to all of these products that they would have wanted to try. I'm gonna say it's your hot girl summer essentials, okay? Like, it's everything you need to like just like look and feel really good and have a fun summer, and you know, it's cool to be a part of that.
Retweet.